Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix Brother printer showing data remaining in memory. First, go to your Brother printer and press the appropriate button to stop or clear the current operation if available on your model. Now check whether there are any pending print jobs waiting to be printed. If you're printing from a computer, open the print queue on your computer. Then locate any documents that are still waiting to print. Here, cancel all pending print jobs and wait a few moments for the changes to take effect. After that, go back to the printer. Now disconnect the printer's power cord from the AC outlet. Leave the printer unplugged for about 15 seconds. This allows the printer to clear any remaining data stored in its memory. Next, reconnect the power cord to the AC outlet, then turn the printer back on. Wait for the printer to complete its startup process and return to the ready screen. Now check the display panel. In most cases, the data remaining in memory message should be gone. If the message still appears, make sure all print jobs have been completely removed from every connected computer and repeat the restart process once more. You can also try sending a small test print after the printer restarts to confirm that it is working normally again. Once the printer returns to its ready state without the message appearing, the issue has been resolved. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.